Welcome back, dear viewers. So we were discussing about chapter number 1, linear equation in two variables. So up till now we have seen the introduction, and now we will start with exercise 1.1, that is practice set 1.1. So let us begin. So I'll write it down the example and then we will start solving the example. So practice set 1.1. In that first example is complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. So we'll write down the example. So this is our first linear equation in two variable, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. So it is given as equation 1. And next one is what? 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So this is equation second. Now let's add equations 1 and 2. Now what we will do, we will add these two equations. Okay, so here there are two methods for solving this linear equation. That is, we are solving this by eliminating. Okay, by elimination method. We are solving this by either by eliminating x or by eliminating y. So from either of these two we can eliminate any one. Okay, and then whatever value we will get, we'll put that value in any of these equations and we will get the answer of what? We will get the solution of x and y. Okay, so let's add the equation 1 and 2. So here we will add this 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation 1. And below this we will write x below x, y below y, equal to below equal to, and this 12 below 9. Okay, so what? First we have written 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, that is equation 1. Then we will what? We will add. Okay, so this is the second equation. We will write down 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. What we will do? We will add these two equations. Okay, so now we have to add 5x plus 2x is what? 7x. Plus 3y minus 3y, it will become what? 0. So we can cancel them. Okay, plus and minus opposite sides. Okay, we can cancel. And equal to is what? 9 plus 12. How much is 9 plus 12? 9 plus 12 is what? 21. So we are having 7x is equal to what? 21. Okay, so from this we can get the value of x. We can get the value of x. I will write it down here. So 7x is equal to 21. We'll transfer this 7. This is in multiplication. By changing the sign. Okay, while changing the sign, it will what? If it is in multiplication, it will become what? It will go in division. Okay, so remember one thing, that on changing the signs, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Okay, multiply will become divide, divide will become multiplication. Understood? So this 7 is in multiplication to this x variable, and if we change this side, if we change its side, okay, then this will become what? X is equal to 21 upon 7. It is in numerator, it will go in denominator. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. So x is equal to what? 3. The value of x is what? 3. Now we have got one value of x is equal to 3. So we can put this x is equal to 3 in either of these two equations, that is either in equation 1 or in equation 2. And then we can calculate the value of y. Now next is what? Place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, so we will put this x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So let us write down the equation 1. So that is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Now we have, what we will do, we will put this x is equal to 3a here. Okay, in place of what? X, we will put the value. So 5 into bracket 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. 5 3 is what? There is nothing means what? Multiplication is there, bracket. Okay, if there is no sign means what? It will multiply. 5 3 is what? 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, always remember while transposing, while changing the sign, okay, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiply will become divide, and divide will become multiplication. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Okay, so here it is what? If no sign is there means what? Which sign is there? Plus is there. Okay, so this we will transfer on that side. Understood? So this 15 will go there. It is plus. Nothing, no sign is mentioned means what? This sign is there, plus, but it is understood. Every time you don't write plus. Okay, it is understood. So it is plus 15. If you will transpose, if you will transfer this on that side, okay, then what it will become? It will be minus. So this will become what? 3y. This will be go that side. So it will become what? 9 minus 15. Okay. What will become? Minus 15. Then this will be what? 3y is equal to what? 9 minus 15 is what? How much? It is what? Minus 6. Okay. Addition subtractions rule is there. Okay. If two numbers are of opposite sign, then we will do subtraction and we will give the sign of bigger number. So here this is plus, this is minus. What we will do? We will do subtraction. This, the answer will come 6. And which is the greater number? 15 or 9? 15 is greater number, so it carries what? Negative sign. So this will be what? Negative 6. And this 3y. Y 3 is in multiplication. So y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So we can write y is equal to minus 2. Now we are having solution. What we are having? We are having solution. So there is no space here, so I will write it down here. Okay, so solution is what? Is x, y. That is equal to what? What is the value of x? First we will write down the value of x, that is 3, comma, what is the value of y? The value of y is minus 2. So this was example number 1 and it was an activity, okay, but I have solved this example for you, okay. So this was example number 1. We have calculated its solution by elimination method, okay. So what we have done here, we have just added these two equations and we have eliminated first y. We have found the value of what? X, and then finally we have put this value in equation 1 and we have calculated the value of y. So this was example number 1.